Hello students, welcome back in chemistry classes. In previous video, already I taught you mole concept and the few questions. Now today, I am going to start the numericals basis the mole concept. So already I have written one questions and this question consisting 7 questions. So look the question. Calculate the number of moles in each. Calculate the number of moles in each. The first one given 392 grams of sulfuric acid. Second one given 44.8 liters of carbon dioxide at STP. Third, 6.022 into 10 to power 23 molecules of oxygen. Fourth, 9 grams of aluminum metals, 1 metric tons of iron metals, 7.9 milligram of calcium, and last one 65 microgram of carbon. These are questions one by one. I am going to tell to you. Then look here, the first question. First question given 392 grams of sulfuric acid. So first I would like to share the formula. You know, mole equal W by M. Mole equal W by M. Or one more formula I taught you. N equal N into 6.023 into 10 to power 23. N is the number of particles. Small n is the number of mole, and this number is the Avogadro number. W is the mass of substance in a gram. M is the molar mass of substance, and N number of mole. So on the basis of this formula, we can easily do all the question. One more formula I am going to tell, that is related to STP. At STP, mole of the gas, moles of gas, it means N, equal volume in a liter upon 22.4. So this is also another formula. By using of this formula, we can easily calculate number of gaseous mole at STP or NTP. STP means standard temperature pressure. So these three formula are very useful to calculation of all these questions. So first take screenshot of the questions and the formula. Okay, look carefully how to do this question. The first question, 392 gram of sulfuric acid. You know, sulfuric acid formula is the H2SO4. Molar mass first we have to calculate. Molar mass. Here is a 2 hydrogen atom. One hydrogen atom atomic mass is the 1. 2 into 1 plus sulfur 32 and oxygen 4 into 16. So after multiply and addition, we get here 2 plus 32 and 64. So 98. So 98 is the molar mass of sulfuric acid. Now W given 392 gram. So put the value in that formula. N equal W by M. So put the value 392 divided by 98. After dividing, the value will become 4. So 4 moles. It means 4 moles is your answer. It means if 392 grams of sulfuric acid when I am taking, then total number of mole of sulfuric acid is the 4 moles. Clear students? Okay, please take a screenshot. Okay, now second question. Second question what I have given, look here. 44.8 liter of carbon dioxide at STP. So just I told you, for gaseous for gas at STP standard temperature pressure, the total number of mole equal volume upon 22.4. This volume is taken as a form of liter or a decimeter cube. So look here how much volume have given 44.8. So 44.8 divided by 22.4. Now this value will be cancelled in 2 times. So answer will be 2 moles. So we can say, if I am going to take 44.8 liter of CO2 at STP, then total number of moles of CO2 is the 2. The 2 is the correct answer. Okay, please take a screenshot. Okay, third question. Third question, 2 question already I have done. Third question. 6.022 into 10 to power 23 molecules of oxygen. Here already number of particles given, and you know the relationship between the number of mole and number of particles of the substance. N equal small n into 6.023 into 10 to power 23. So n is the number of mole, n is the number of particles. Particles may be atom, may be molecules, may be ions, may be anything. So these are number of particles. So n equal, we can write n upon 6.023 into 10 to power 23. N value given, this value given, 6.022 into 10 to power 23 given, n value, this is n value, upon 6.023 into 10 to power 23, this is also. So both value nearly equal. So both value will be cancelled nearly 1 times. So number of mole is the 1. So this is your answer. So we can say, if I am going to take 6.022 into 10 to power 23 molecules of oxygen, then the total number of mole of oxygen equal 1 mole. So this is your answer. Okay, please take a screenshot. Question number 4. This is also completed. See, now 4 question. 9 gram of aluminum. So you know mole equal W by M. M is the molar mass. Aluminum molar mass is the 27. So N equal W. W given 9 gram. The 9 upon 27. So this value will be cancelled 3 times. So 1 upon 3. After dividing, 0.33 nearly moles. So this is your answer of 4th question. Okay. So if I am going to take 9 gram of aluminum metal, in that metal the total number of moles of aluminum is the 0.33. So please take a screenshot. Now the next question. This is also completed. E question. 1 metric ton of iron. 1 metric ton means 1 metric ton equal 10 to power 3 kilogram. So 1 metric ton equal 10 to power 3 kilogram, but we can always take in a form of gram. So 10 to power 3 kilogram equal, also we can write 10 to power 6 gram, because this value will be multiplied by 1000. So value will be this one. So this is in a gram. So W equal given 10 to power 6 gram, and M is the molar mass of iron. Molar mass of iron. So molar mass of iron is the 56. Molar mass of iron is the 56. So N equal W by M. Now put the value 10 to power 6 upon 56. So after dividing, the answer will become 1.78 1.78 into 10 to power 4 moles. So this is your answer. Please take a screenshot. Clear students? Again listen. 1 metric ton equal 10 to power 3 kilogram, but we should take in a gram. So 10 to power 3 kilogram equal 10 to power 6 gram. So W equal given. M is the molar mass of iron 56. So you know formula N equal W by M. After putting the value, we get 1.78 into 10 to power 4 moles of iron. So this is your answer. So question number 5 is also completed. Now next, sixth question, 7.9 milligram of calcium. 7.9 milligram of calcium given. So first we have to convert in the gram. You know 1 milligram equal 10 to power minus 3 gram. So 7.9 milligram equal 7.9 into 10 to power minus 3 gram. Clear? Okay. Calcium, molar mass of calcium equal 40. So N equal W by M. So W value given 7.9 into 10 to power minus 3 upon molar mass. The molar mass given 40. This is a 40. After dividing, the answer will become 1.97 into 10 to the power minus 3. 10 to the power minus 3. 10 to the power minus 4. 10 to the power minus 4 moles. So this is the answer of 6th question. Again listen. 1 milligram equal 10 to power minus 3 gram. So 7.9 milligram equals 7.9 into 10 to power minus 3 gram. So calcium molar mass is the 40. N equal W by M. After putting the value, we get answer 1.97 into 10 to power minus 4 milligram. Please take a screenshot. Okay, now last question. Last question I have given here. 65 microgram of carbon. 65 microgram of carbon. So 1 microgram equal 10 to power minus 6 gram. 1 microgram equal 10 to the power minus 6 gram. So 65 microgram equal 65 into 10 to power minus 6 gram. Yeah, 6.5 into 10 to power minus 5 gram. Okay, and here given carbon, molar mass of carbon equal 12. So N equal W by M, you know already. So put the value. After putting the value, 6.5 into 10 to power minus 5 upon 12. After dividing, the answer will become nearly 5.48 into 10 to power minus 6 moles. So this is the answer of last question. So really, mole concept is a very easy topics of the some basic concept of chemistry of class first year, and various kinds of the questions also given in your book and NCERT book as well as in a competitive exam. So by using up that formula, you can easily do the many questions. So please take a screenshot.